Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing these Adventure Wheels Quarry Haulers. Wow, let's check them out. These quarry haulers have a removable trailer. They have push friction motors. I love that both of the wheels can be push friction. That'll help it get over different surfaces. The exhaust pipes are in the back. It's easy to hook the trailer back on. Just slide it right into place. We also have a mighty machine that rides on top. Look, this one has a cool blade at the front. And it raises up and down. Let's check out the other one. Here's our other quarry hauler. I love the white color. He also has a push friction motor. You can unhook the trailer. And the ramp at the back raises and lowers. Let's see what mighty machine we have. Look, it's a bulldozer. It's got a blade at the front that can raise and lower. And at the back, there's a rake. I love the red plastic treads. There's wheels on the bottom to help it roll. What a cool quarry hauler. I'm ready to see these mighty machines at the job site. Let's go! We're ready to work! He's working hard to clear the rocks. We're ready for the bulldozer. The bulldozer is working hard. Now that we've cleared a path, we need to lay some rocks down. Our road is coming along nicely. Wow, check out the road! They've done a great job making a road through the mountains. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.